New generation video intercom products are modular and characterized by their versatility and flexibility, meaning that case-specific solutions can be found for different applications, from single or multi-family homes to buildings with 500 users. The system is available in IP and 2-wire versions. The wide range of components includes a main unit consisting of a camera and a call button, capable of operating both individually for single-family applications and as a master module for more complex systems. In this second case, it is possible to connect up to 8 additional modules, ranging from traditional push-button panels to card readers, through to the innovative LCD display and keypad, guaranteeing a high number of features to satisfy all customers. A wide range of indoor stations with a modern design completes the system and makes it suitable for all customer requirements. The high-definition touchscreen display ensures ultra-high image quality, and the user-friendly interface guarantees intuitive navigation within the menu and features. Wi-Fi connectivity speeds up installation and simplifies device configuration. All components are available in IP and 2-wire versions, and can also coexist within the same system. On dated installations, this makes system evolution possible using existing cables. Convergence with video surveillance systems means that in addition to the onboard camera, you can also view a live feed from the Hikvision IP cameras on the indoor station. Up to 16 context cameras can be connected for truly unique security. Like all Hikvision products, the video intercom system can also be managed via the Hike Connect app. This allows users to receive notifications, answer calls, and unlock doors, all conveniently and remotely wherever they may be. The 2MP fisheye 180-degree Full HD camera module allows you to vary the frame using the cropping feature, making selecting an area of interest simple and intuitive. The indoor stations have smart features that turn them into actual intercom stations. They support Intercom, guaranteeing calls between indoor stations belonging to the same network, thereby offering an additional means of communication between users. The innovative auto capture feature allows automatic face capture of the people who interact with the outdoor station, storing them in the indoor station memory or on an SD card, with the significant advantage of keeping a log of interactions with the system. IP and 2-wire video intercom, connected into communication. Welcome to Convergence.